You don't marry someone you can live with. You marry the person you can't live without. And that's definitely the case for me. Holly's beautiful, intelligent, funny, caring, and I could go on, but honestly, I'm struggling to read her writing. But seriously, you look amazing today, Holes.
My daughter plays a piano.
I was chatting, weren't we? Just said to leave down just when you want to change it. Just tell them they'll bring everything down. Like I said, they'll be on the back there.
Actually, it's a compliment to me. I don't know. There's a lot. Maybe on the Queen.
That's very easy. Yeah.
Today has been just perfect, so thank you both for hosting such an incredible day.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a daily reminder
as a daily reminder
of my love for you.
of my love for you.
Andrew,
Andrew,
I give you this ring
give you this ring,
as a daily reminder
a daily reminder
of my love for you.
of my love for you.
Done. Since this moment, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
For Holly, it really was love at first sight, and as Holly's friends, you always know, she's always showing us pictures, she's always talking about his beautiful eyes, she's always going on about his adorable face, and we just all know that the love of her life is her cat Gus.
As you are aware, weddings are an emotional time. Do you all agree? Even the cake's in tears. Come on, that's my best shot.
I'd like to finish by saying Ainsley and I wish you all both the very best for your future happiness. Everybody, please raise your glasses to the wonderful Mr. and Mrs. Andrew and Holly Teal.